Hello friends, today we are going to see now that how to give the variables. Yes, how to declare the variables. Variables means what? First of all, variable यानी आप जो constant value हमेशा लिखते हो कि हाँ x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, like that you are writing. So instead of that, you will give the variable. So whenever you will enter any of the number, it will be accepted. आप कोई भी number आप लिखोगे, that will be accepted over here if you will declare the variable. Now to declare the variable, what we needed, that is the word, that is the keyword dim. Okay, that is the keyword which is used to declare a variable in Visual Basic. Okay, तो उससे क्या होगा कि वो मेमोरी लोकेशन में वो स्टोर कर लेगा फॉर टेम्पररी बेस एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स वेन एवर यू विल डू द चेंजेस यू विल चेंज द वैल्यू तो वो अपने आप चेंज हो जाएगा. In that also we are having the data types. There are only 3 data types over here. That is integer means only numbers. Numbers में कहाँ तक 32,768 in negative and positive also 32,768. The integer, the range is that much. Okay. Then the string. If you want to go for the group of characters, यानी characters के लिए जाना है, जैसे नाम है, नेम है, या फिर आप पूरा सरनेम, फुल नेम, एवरीथिंग यू वांटेड टू बी एक्सेप्टेड ओके एज अ वेरिएबल, तो आपको स्ट्रिंग लेना है डेटा टाइप. एंड इफ यू वांट टू एंटर एनी डेट और टाइम तो आपको डेट के लिए जाना है. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. So first of all, I have just prepared over here one data, one program over here, जिसमें आप enter radius, area and circumference. So when you will enter the radius, so what you will get, you will also get the area and the circumference when you will click on the calculate. Okay, जब आप calculate बटन पे क्लिक करोगे तभी आपको रेडियस जैसे ही आप एंटर करोगे और कैलकुलेट पे क्लिक करोगे यू विल गेट एरिया एंड द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ इट. ओके, सो दिस इज द थिंग एंड क्लियर. टू क्लियर इट मीन्स आपको ये सारा क्लियर कर देना है. सो यू वांट टू रीसेट, यू कैन ऑल्सो give it a reset button instead of that. Okay, now we will start the coding. So as you know that what you have to do, you have to make a double click. As you will make a double click, here we will give dim. I told you at the first only dim is to declare the variable, right? And in that radius as integer. Why integer? Because we are going to enter only in integer. We want to give rad as a variable. Instead of rad you can take r also. It is not like that. Okay, it depends on you. Area as integer, and then we needed circumference. Okay, so for circumference we are going with the short of it, that is CIR. Now after declaring the variables, ये आपने क्या किया है, you have declared the variables, that is radius, area and circumference. Now what we have to do, now when you are entering means आप जो value enter करोगे तो वो radius में accept होनी चाहिए ना in that variable. So what we have to do, so where we are having over here in this text box, that is text box number 1. Okay, you can see over here the name, that is text box 1. So वो value को accept करेगा जो text box 1 में लिखा है. So we will write here val text box 1 dot text. So whatever the value you will enter, that will be accepted over here as a radius. Okay, so it is equal to radius. Clear this much? Then next हम कहाँ जाएंगे, that we will go for the area. Now we have to go for the area. So you know that the formula for area what it will be. See, I have written in small letter, वो अपने आप a को capital कर दिया है because we have declared the variable in that a is capital. Okay, so it will do the changes by itself. Now I want to give the formula over here. तो मैंने क्या किया, 3.14 multiply by RAD, radius, multiply by radius. Okay, so this is our area. So RAD, why we have written RAD instead of value? Because now we have taken, हमने यहाँ क्या ले लिया है कि text box 1 उसकी जो भी वैल्यू होगी उसे क्या गिनेंगे, द नेम इज गिवन RAD. ओके, सो वी आर टेकिंग ओवर हियर RAD multiplied by RAD. Okay, now about the circumference. Okay, तो circumference की फॉर्मूला क्या है, 2 equal to 2 then multiply 3.14 multiply RAD. Okay, so this is our output. Now अब हमें आउटपुट लेना है, तो आउटपुट कहाँ आएगा, राइट? So area and circle we have given the formula, circumference for that we have given the formula, but it must be accepted over here ना, हमारे टेक्स्ट बॉक्स में भी तो आना चाहिए. तो टेक्स्ट बॉक्स के लिए हमें क्या करना है, what we have to do for our text box, that text we will write over here that whatever the value, right, whatever the value is there in text box 2, आपने जो भी वैल्यू एरिया के लिए आपका जो भी आउटपुट आया है, वट एवर द आउटपुट यू गॉट ऑफ एरिया, दैट विल बी एक्सेप्टेड इन टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 2 डॉट टेक्स्ट. ओके, नाउ दिस इज ऑपोजिट. यहाँ आपने क्या किया था, यहाँ रेडियस के लिए वट एवर द वैल्यू यू आर गिविंग इन टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 1, दैट विल बी एक्सेप्टेड एज अ रेडियस. बट नाउ वट इज ओवर हियर द ऑपोजिट ऑफ इट, कि टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 2 में whatever you got the output of area, आपको जो भी आंसर मिला है, जो भी आउटपुट मिला है, whatever the result you got it, that will be accepted in the text box 2. Okay, now about the text box 3. Text box 3 is what? Now text box 3, in that what it will take it? It will take it the circumference. Okay, so CIR. Okay, so this is the thing. Now this is for the one button we have done. Now the next button, what is the next button for us? That is button 2. Now the button 2, for that we will go. So button 2, in that what we have to do, we have to clear all the things. Okay, तो हम यहाँ क्या करेंगे, we will take it over here that text box 1 dot text is equal to double quotation space double quotation. Why? Because we want to give blank over there. Same way text box 2 dot text is equal to, okay, you have to keep it in mind this thing. You can copy paste it and you can just change it over here, that text box 1 2 3. okay, आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, the shortcut way. And when you have completed this, now our program is completed. Okay, so now what we will do, we will run the program. As we will run the program, we have to first of all give the radius. So I'm just giving the radius 8 and click on calculate. Okay, I'll just show you by the calculator also, so you can understand that whatever your output is there, आपका जो भी आउटपुट आया है वो आपका सही है कि नहीं, राइट? सो व्हाट वाज आवर फॉर्मूला फॉर एरिया, दैट इज 3.14 multiply by the radius, that is 8 multiply by 8. Okay, so here it is 200.9. everyone know that it is an integer. ये सारा integer में है तो वो round figure हो जाएगा, so it will turn to 201. Okay, now the next, that is of circumference. So in that 3.14, sorry, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 8. So you got the answer 50.24. as you know that 0.5 होता तो हमारा change हो जाता, but here it is 24, so it will calculate this much. So this is correct. Now we will just click on clear. So it is done. So this way you have to write the program. आपको ऐसे program लिखने हैं जिसमें variable कैसे आपको declare करना है. Now you must know that thing. Okay, so now the next program which we are going to see, that is Okay, now the next program we are going to see, that is of if condition, right? How to give the condition and you must get the output. आप लोगों ने क्यू बेसिक अगर किया होगा तो क्यू बेसिक में था कि हाँ yes when you are above 80 then you can vote, if you are less than 80, your age is less than 80, then you can not vote. Okay, so yes, we will see that program. So first of all we will take the label, then why we have to take this, because we have to do the programming in which we are going to enter the name and the age of the person, and then we will check that thing with the button. Okay, हम लोग बटन से बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे and then we will check it whether the age of that person is correct, he or she is eligible to vote or not. तो ये लेबल भी हम लोग ले लेंगे, that label, in that it will get the output, हमें output वहाँ मिलेगा. Okay, so yes, we have to take the text, enter your name, then your age, because we needed first of all the age. अगर एज हमारे पास नहीं होगी तो हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, because we have to give the condition for that. Now the text box, we needed the text box also, right? Because whatever the value you are going to give, that you are giving in the text box. Okay, and that will be accepted over here. Now we will change over here the button to the name check. Okay, now what we can do, if you want to change the font size of everything, तो आपको जैसे बड़ा करना है उस चीज को, I've told you last time also that you will press the shift key. Okay, press the shift key and you will select all the things, और फिर बाद में आप font में जाकर you can do the changes. Like you want to change the font, yes. Okay, so this is the thing that you can do in a simple way. अब देखिए यहाँ आपको मिल गया. Now what we will do, okay, now we will go to the next thing, that is the programming. Okay, so now we will go for the program. So here what we needed the program, we needed a click. So what we will do, we will go to button 1 and in that click. Okay, अब हमें क्या करना है, now we have to do the programming, हमें programming करना है. So we will write your dim again. I am telling you, dim is for what, to declare the variable. तो हमारा variable हमें declare करना है, that is name. Okay, name as string. अब string क्यों लेना है, why we have to take string, because here the text, the group of text is there. ऐसा नहीं है कि only one text, means one character is not there, there is a group of character, because of that we have to take the string. Okay, now the next we are going to take, that is for the age. हमें age भी तो लेना है ना. Age, in that we will take integer. Why integer, because it is in numbers. Okay, so this is the thing. Now what we are going to take, कि हमने name तो लिख दिया, now name, the value will be accepted. तो हमें value कौन सी accept करनी है, that is of text box, that is of text box 1 dot text. Okay, and for the age, what it is, एज के लिए हमें जाना होगा फॉर द वैल्यू. एज के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा, वी हैव टू गो फॉर द वैल्यू. वाई वैल्यू, बिकॉज इन दैट वी आर गोइंग फॉर द इंटीजर. ओके, वी आर नॉट गोइंग फॉर द टेक्स्ट, वी आर गोइंग फॉर द इंटीजर. तो हमें टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 2 dot text. Okay, I think so that much is clear to everyone. Now we will give the condition. अब हमें condition क्या देनी है, we have to give the condition of if, right? If the age of that person is more than 18 or equal to 18, तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा लेबल में, that is that his age, his name, and he is eligible to vote. Okay, so what we will do, we will give if condition, if age is greater than equal to 18, then what will be the output, that the label, whatever the label you are given, आपको label please check कर लेना है that it is label which one, label 3. Okay, so label 3 dot text means whatever the output will come, that will be taken in the property of label text. Okay, so here we will take it over here and then we will write here what we are going to do, हम लोग को combine करना है नाम को, तो हमें लेना है ampersand sign. Your ampersand sign is used for combining. So what we are going to combine, our variable. Okay, so our variable we are going to combine and we are going to write here you are eligible to vote. Okay, this we are going to give, and then what we have to give, that is else, right? If this is for the true statement, ये किसके लिए, true statement के लिए, कि अगर ये condition fulfill हो जाती है, if the condition is fulfilled that it is more than, अगर उसकी age 18 से ज़्यादा है, then we will go for this output, and if it is not, तो false के लिए क्या होगा, so else we will take. Okay, we will take else and then we will write the same thing, but here there will be a change, that is not. Okay, so we can copy over here, we can copy and paste it. तो हमने paste कर दिया and then you will write you are not eligible to vote. Okay, written. Now what we will do, we will see the output. So we will run the condition. अब हमें program को run करना है. FI everyone know. I will write here the name like I am writing Rachna. Okay, age, and then click on check. Okay, you can see. Now I will just change it. Here I will write it and the age 10. Okay, so this way, yes, you can do it. You have seen that there was no space over here, so I can give the space from here. आप ऐसे स्पेस दे सकते हो, एंड इफ यू वांट टू क्लियर इट, राइट, अगर आपको क्लियर करना है देन यू कैन गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट बटन. आपको जैसे मैंने रीसेट वाला बताया था यहाँ कि यस यू कैन गो फॉर इट, यहाँ आप क्लियर दे दोगे, clear, or you can say reset. Okay, and then what you will do, you will go to the coding और फिर यहाँ आप क्या लोगे, you will take it over here, button 2, click, and in that the text box, right, text box 1 dot text is equal to, okay, and then text box 2 dot text is equal to, and also our label, if you want to go for the label, तो label हमारा 3 है, dot, sorry, label 3 dot text is equal to. Okay, so this we have done. Now we will run it. We'll write it over here. We will give 18 so we can check it. Reset, so everything is clear. Hope you all have understand. Thank you, and please like, subscribe my channel and see my playlist which is there for the 8th standard. Okay, so it will be helpful to you. Thank you.